Hi friends, in today's video we are changing our dryer's door latch. The door was getting unlocked itself while the drying cycle was on. To replace the latch we need to open the door. There are screws, two on the top and two on the sides. It's a good idea to unscrew the side ones first and then the top ones. To remove the old latch, we need to pull out a metal piece from the back side first, and then we can pull out the plastic piece from the front easily. These latches we ordered from Amazon. They are original Whirlpool latches and they come in various sizes. We need to match the right size with the one we removed. Since the latch is changed now, we are changing the strike now. So remove the old strike. These are the strikes we got in the latch kit and we're going to match it with the one we removed. The strike needs to be squeezed in with the plier before we push that in.
Wow, the job is done now. Now my wife is happy.